Welcome to DevBoosters, the channel that's all about boosting your knowledge of technology and software development. Are you tired of watching dull and boring videos that fail to capture your attention? Well, not today. Today, we have something special in store for you. In this video, we'll be exploring the future of software development and how it's going to revolutionize the world we live in. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, we'll take you on a journey through the latest trends and technologies that are shaping the future of software development. So, get ready to be blown away by the possibilities and potential of software development. Let's dive in. Part 1. Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has already started to transform software development, and it will continue to do so in the future. With the help of AI, software developers can automate a variety of tasks, including coding, testing, and debugging. This will not only make the software development process more efficient, but it will also allow software developers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. One area where AI is already making a significant impact is in the field of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the ability of computers to understand and interpret human language. With the help of AI, software developers can create applications that can understand and respond to human language, such as chatbots and voice assistants. In the future, we can expect to see even more advanced NLP applications, such as those that can understand and interpret the nuances of human language, including sarcasm and irony. Another area where AI is making an impact is in software testing. With the help of AI, software developers can automate the testing process, allowing them to test their code more thoroughly and quickly than ever before. AI can also help identify bugs and other issues in the code, allowing developers to fix them before they become major problems. AI can also be used to improve software security. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a security breach. This can help software developers detect and prevent security breaches before they occur. One of the most exciting applications of AI in software development is in the area of machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. With the help of machine learning, software developers can create applications that can analyze large amounts of data and make predictions or recommendations based on the data. Part 2. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, is another technology that is already transforming software development and will continue to do so in the future. IoT refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. One of the most significant impacts of IoT on software development is the need for new software platforms and architectures that can support the vast number of connected devices. Traditional software architectures were not designed to handle the massive amount of data generated by IoT devices, nor were they designed to handle the complexity of distributed systems. As a result, software developers need to develop new platforms and architectures that can handle these challenges. Another impact of IoT on software development is the need for new programming languages and frameworks that can handle the unique requirements of IoT devices. IoT devices have limited computing power, memory, and battery life, and as such, traditional programming languages and frameworks may not be suitable for developing applications for these devices. As a result, software developers need to develop new programming languages and frameworks that are specifically designed for IoT devices. One of the most significant benefits of IoT is the ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. With the help of IoT devices, software developers can collect data from sensors, cameras, and other sources and analyze it in real time. This can be used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the overall user experience. For example, IoT devices can be used to monitor and optimize energy consumption in buildings, improve supply chain management, and optimize traffic flow in cities. Another benefit of IoT is the ability to create new applications and services that were not possible before. For example, IoT devices can be used to create smart homes, smart cities, and even smart factories. In a smart home, IoT devices can be used to automate tasks such as turning on lights, adjusting the temperature, and locking doors. In a smart city, IoT devices can be used to optimize traffic flow, improve public safety, and manage waste and water resources. However, with the benefits of IoT come new challenges. Security is one of the biggest challenges facing IoT. With the vast number of connected devices, the potential for security breaches is significant. Software developers need to develop new security protocols and mechanisms to protect IoT devices and the data they generate. Part 3. Blockchain. Blockchain is another emerging technology that has the potential to transform software development. Blockchain technology can be used to create secure, decentralized applications, which can be used in a variety of industries. In the future, we can expect to see more software development focused on creating blockchain-based applications and services. Part 4. Augmented and Virtual Reality. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies are already being used in gaming and entertainment, but they have the potential to transform software development in other industries as well. For example, AR and VR can be used to create immersive training and simulation programs, which can help workers learn new skills and improve productivity. In the healthcare sector, AR and VR have been used to train medical professionals in a simulated environment, allowing them to practice complex procedures without risking the life of a real patient. In the construction industry, AR can be used to visualize a 3D model of a building on the construction site, providing a more accurate representation of the final structure. In the retail sector, AR can be used to create interactive experiences for customers, allowing them to virtually try on clothes or see how furniture would look in their home. These are just a few examples of how AR and VR are transforming various industries and enhancing the user experience. Part 5. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is another trend that is already transforming software development, and it will continue to do so in the future. With cloud computing, developers can access powerful computing resources and storage capabilities without having to invest in expensive hardware. In the future, we can expect to see more software development focused on creating cloud-based applications and services. So, what does the future of software development look like? In short, it looks very exciting. With emerging technologies like AI, IoT, blockchain, augmented and virtual reality, and cloud computing, software developers have a wealth of opportunities to create innovative products and services that can transform industries and improve people's lives. As always, staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies will be essential for software developers to succeed in the future. So, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of software development. Thanks for watching The Future of Software Development. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.